Here we are again, Wednesday. I'm doing a long stretch of a river that I fished a lot, and I haven't been in here in quite a while, so bike's way upstream, about 2 miles up, so we'll see what happens. Thanks for watching, and good. Oh, that's a horrible cast, dude. Is it spinning? I don't even know if it's spinning. Oh. There's 2 trout right, 4 trout right there, dude. Take it. Just looking at it. This is great because there's trout everywhere. They're looking, but they just won't take it. Take it. Look at that, all the way up to my toes. Just. Oh, take it. Ah, there we go. Oh, I hate nets. I hate them. So many fish in here. It's ridiculous. Redonkulous. Here's a nipper. Nipper. Take it. Just a little nippy fly. Hey, I got one in the net. Somehow. I got a snag on a tree, and I ended up with this fish somehow. A little, I don't know, 9-incher. Look how pretty that is. There he goes. Oh, I had him. Too busy. Get over there. Oh, take him. Get them all. Just thriving. All the way in. There's a nice one. Take it. That's a brookie there. There's a 10 or so. 10-incher or so. He wanted it too. Oh, there he is. He keeps shining at it. He wants it. Take it, take it, take it. That's a nice fish. Look at, he just follows it in. It's just amazing. The kind of shit that happens, eh? Okay. Not that I needed the net, but just a little shaker. Look at that beauty. Oop, there's one. And I don't have the cast, but I can try to make it. Oh, there's a good one. Ah, that's my net. There we go. There's a nice one. There's a better fish, ladies and gentlemen. This is better. This is what we're looking for. Something like this. Okay, the fish is out, and he's a fatty. I don't know. What is he? 11. That's a beauty. Look at that fish. Number 5 is a nice fish. Well, how could he not come from that hole? Another nicey. Okay, so he's out. Oh, that's a pretty fish again. I don't know, 10. Alright, first scene, 8 minutes. I got 5 fish. 11, 10 and 11 are itcher. Not bad so far. 5 fish. I lost my clicker, so I'm at 183 or whatever. All right, thanks for watching. Oh yeah, by the way, this episode is a special dedication to my sister, who I love so much, and she got me this beautiful one-piece St. Croix. I got the legal limits on it so you can't see, but yeah, beautiful. It had the tiny little Fluger medalist or something on it, but I put the Big Daddy on, the Battle 3. Working pretty good. Oh, that's a big one. Oh my God, there's a 15er. Holy balls. Oh my Lord, that was huge. Oh, ho, ho, ho. Ah. Wow. Number 10. go. Come on. Okay, there we go. Number 10, a little 8-inch beauty. That one almost hit on the drop. He almost hit on the drop. He still wants it. Look at that. Oh. I don't know how good he's hooked. I don't think it's buried though. Ah. That's 11. He's out. I don't know. 8-incher for number 11.